Hi, welcome back to Nannilam Eco Village. Is a intentional community which is being created here at Kalrayan Hills, Salem district of Tamil Nadu. It's about a 125-acre property with a lot of greenery around and mountains and views. So this region is full of hill station, and we are about 800 meters above the sea level. The intention of this Nannilam is to create a model farm, a permaculture based model farm, wherein education, training, creating a model out of sustainability is more paramount importance. We are creating sustainable living community, then dairy farm, farm school, wellness. These are all some of the other activities that's happening now. In the series of things that what you are seeing happening in Nannilam, today we are going to see this Gabion wall, which we have done a year back. It's almost a year. To give you a small introduction about what Gabion wall is, it is a wall which is done without any mortar, cement or mud, or it doesn't have any mortar in it. It's about 10 feet tall, and the whole building is done by Gabion wall. So this Gabion wall is about 400 square feet building, and we are using it as a small office room here. And the stones are all taken out from the farm when we were cleaning it up and made it as a wall. We don't have any problem so far. While doing it, we had a lot of doubts whether it might fall or some insects might come, many things, but it's standing good. And being a eco-friendly space that we are trying to create, this is one of the testimony of how we want to do it. And this is just a starting point. And also the flooring of this also has been done in such a way that we don't have any mortar or other things to hold the stone. And we bought whichever stone was not accepted in the market, and then we kind of cut it and made it as a flooring. Many other steel structure what you see are recycled wood. So I will take a tour of this. You can see the steel structure on the top. So these are all recycled steel. See the wall over here. Again, it's a long wall with the glass. Again, the glass also was a recycled material. It taken out from one of my friend's office, and according whatever the glass was available, we made the building. All the four sides we have the gabion wall in this. The roof is made, we have put the hay on the top of the roof, so that it gives you a natural feeling as well as reduces the temperature. Nannilam Eco Village being an intentional community, we want to work with like-minded people. We have just started, and we have a long way to go. Want to be highly collaborative in nature. Whoever has got some kind of a skill can share here, and they can learn from here. And a year from now, will be having spaces for staying and food. Everything is available inside. That's how we want to take this Nannilam Eco Village as a model, wherein the good things can keep spreading all around. And you are most welcome to share your comment, send us an email, and as much as possible, let's try to collaborate. If you are free, you can come down here and see what we do, and also share your thoughts on this. Thank you.